Here a scratch, there a scratch, everywhere a scratch. It happens anywhere, on the parking lot, or even at your own home. Introducing Scratch Solution, an easier way to fix scars, scratches, and other paint imperfections instantly. Paint repair shops use the latest technology to repair scrapes and scratches on your paintwork, but these repairs can cost hundreds of dollars. Our inventors have perfected that technology by developing a safe, easy-to-use scratch solution. Stay tuned to find out how this amazing product makes scratches disappear right before your eyes. Discover how we put Scratch Solution to severe tests, and you'll meet real people who try Scratch Solution for the first time.
Wow.
Wow, that worked.
Oh, wow. Look at that, huh?
That's great.
That was ridiculously easy.
Here's your host, Bo Riles, and automotive expert Jared Zimmerman, star of popular TV do-it-yourself car repair programs. So don't go anywhere, because the next 15 minutes will change the way you think about car scratch repairs forever.
It's great to be here.
It's great to have you here. Now, I'm sure you've had thousands of scratches on your cars through the years.
Oh, absolutely. You know, and we've all experienced it. You know what's so frustrating about it is that a scratch on the car is so easy to make, but it's always been such a difficult and expensive process to fix the scratch.
And we've seen all those products out there that claim to take scratches away, the pins, the tubes. Do any of those work?
Most of them don't work, and the ones that do only work to hide the scratch, not actually repair it. And so think about it like this. You're actually just putting something on top of the paint layer, like a Band-Aid. And then as soon as something comes in contact with a repair, or perhaps just even a car wash,
right,
the Band-Aid comes off, the scratch comes back out.
It's happened to all of us. What about the professional shops?
Well, at a body shop, they're using professional buffing equipment to buff the scratches out of your car. Now, it's a great method, it's great technology, and it's proven. But here's the problem. You need years of experience to operate those tools properly. So if you were to take one of those machines home, for example, to your own garage, they're bulky, they're big, and you could actually burn your paint with one of them.
Wow.
The inventors of Scratch Solution have actually adapted the same technology from those professional machines into a compact, easy-to-use version for everyone to use at home. The Scratch Solution applicator tool and Scratch Solution formula.
Very nice.
But you know what, Bo? In order to fix a scratch, I gotta make one.
Oh, hang on a second. Make a scratch? That's a real scratch. If this happened in my car, I'd go ballistic, then I'd be super depressed. You're not gonna fix that.
Yeah, I put a little drop of the Scratch Solution formula on the applicator. That's all you need. You'll be able to repair hundreds of scratches with one bottle of the formula.
All right, what's it doing?
The applicator tool's high-speed rotations activate the formula's millions of microparticles that go deep into the scratch, blending with the paint and permanently removing surface scratches, swirl marks, and other paint imperfections, leaving a superb high-gloss finish. The super fast motion causes friction and the buildup of heat, and heat is what makes the process start to work. The formula, in combination with the heated area, makes the paintwork around the scratch smooth out to a sleek, flat surface, making your car's paintwork look like new again.
It appears to be working. There you go. Look at that. Well, it appears to be gone. In fact, we never cut away from this shot, folks. And let's take a look at the before picture with the scratch. And now look at that. That's pretty amazing. But I remember you said something about a car wash.
How about it?
Let's test it out. We've got a soapy sponge here. And look at that. Oh my goodness. You actually did fix that scratch with Scratch Solution.
No other do-it-yourself scratch removal product can deliver such amazing results. That's because Scratch Solution uses the same proven technology professional shops use to remove scratches and scrapes from paint surfaces. Look closer while we remove this scratch. Normally, you'd spend hundreds to get this fixed, but the Scratch Solution applicator generates friction and heat, which activates the formula. This system blends together the paint molecules to a smooth, even, blemish-free surface. Just run the Scratch Solution over the scratch and be prepared to be amazed. This scratch is gone in just seconds. So quick and easy. But what can Scratch Solution do with this large scuff mark? Just run it over and let the applicator and formula do the work. Even paint imperfections like this can be fixed with Scratch Solution. It's like having a body shop right in your own garage.
My fiance and I, we didn't know anything about fixing scratches on our car. There's so many options out there, it's like, what's gonna work? Well, we started using Scratch Solution, and it's so easy. You simply put the Scratch Solution formula on the applicator, and then you start fixing scratches. We don't have hundreds of dollars to take our car into the shop to get the scratches removed. With Scratch Solution, we can easily do it ourselves and save so much time.
I live alone, and I'm used to fixing everything in my house. The one thing I couldn't fix were the scratches on my car. But now I have the Scratch Solution, and I can fix all the scratches. I just put a little dab of the product right onto the applicator, run it for about 30 seconds, and I fix all my scratches. I can't wait for someone to scratch my car now. I can fix it.
All right, Jared, how do most scratches happen in the first place?
To be honest, they happen when the car leaves the garage, because regardless how much you take care of your car, it's once it's out of your control, that's when the scratches happen. So take, for example, a shopping cart hitting it in the shopping mall. Or how about this one? I've come out of a restaurant before and seen a couple of people having conversation while they were leaned up against my car. That's where scratches come from.
How about pets? How about this story? I got my baby blue dream truck. I go to see my buddy. I roll the window down and say, hey, I'm here. His Irish setter runs across, jumps on the side of my truck, and the claws go straight down the side.
Oh no, making a multitude of scratches, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like this, huh?
Man, wait a minute. Jared, come on, man. That's sandpaper. You just made multiple scratches.
But, you know, I did it because I'm not worried about it. We've got Scratch Solution.
I gotta see this.
Just a little bit on there. And just let it do its job.
You know, that is absolutely incredible. He just put, with that sandpaper, a multitude of scratches right across the door, and take a look at that.
Look at it.
Take a look at that. Now
like
you tell
fixed.
me, which would you rather have? This side, or the part that's been fixed by Scratch Solution? That is absolutely amazing.
Jared just used sandpaper to make serious damage to this car door. Remember, this is a real demonstration where no tricks were applied. Just watch how the fast rotations of Scratch Solution cuts right through the scratches, repairing the paint damage for good. Ask yourself, if Scratch Solution can permanently fix this severe damage, what can Scratch Solution do for your car? Here a scratch, there a scratch, everywhere a scratch. It happens anywhere, on the parking lot, or even at your own home. Introducing Scratch Solution, the new way to fix scars, scratches, and other paint imperfections instantly. Simply apply Scratch Solution on the applicator, turn it on, and go over the scratch. In just seconds, the scratches disappear right before your eyes. The secret is the Scratch Solution applicator and unique formula with microparticles. When you apply Scratch Solution to the scratch, the super fast rotations of the applicator cause friction and generate heat. Scratch Solution loosens the paint on the sides of the scratch, evening it to a smooth surface, removing the scratches, scrapes, and scuff marks completely and permanently. You would never intentionally scratch your car, but look how Scratch Solution completely eliminates any paint imperfection forever. Use it to remove that nasty scratch on your motorcycle, and those door handle fingernail scratches become a thing of the past. But Scratch Solution doesn't just work on scratches alone. It brings back the shine on this faded and lusterless paintwork and transforms dull, oxidized headlights from dim and dangerous to safe and shiny. Scratch Solution works on any color, any paint, and virtually any vehicle. Cars, boats, motorcycles, even mobile homes. Forget inferior products that don't work or spending hundreds at a repair shop. Scratch Solution does the job at a fraction of the cost. Order now and you'll receive the high-quality electrically driven applicator tool with microfiber polishing pad and the Scratch Solution formula. Enough to remove hundreds of scratches from all your vehicles. And that's not all. You'll also receive the applicator hook for easy storage and the wheel cleaning attachment, both absolutely free. Just place it on the applicator tool and watch how it instantly cuts through caked on mud and difficult to remove road grime. But wait! Call now and we'll include a second bottle of Scratch Solution also free. You'll receive not one but 2 bottles of Scratch Solution for the same low price. But hold everything! We're still not done! As an added TV bonus, we will also send you this compact turbo car vac. Just plug it into your car for quick cleanups whenever you want. With the included nozzle attachment, you can reach into small corners and hard-to-reach places. The turbo vac is a $40 value alone, but yours absolutely free. That's a whopping $120 value still for the incredible price on your screen. You'll receive the Scratch Solution applicator, polishing pad, and formula to remove any scratches, scuffs, and other paint imperfections from your car. And during this introductory offer, we'll send you the storage hook, wheel cleaning brush, second bottle of Scratch Solution, and turbo vac absolutely free. Save hundreds of dollars on body shop repairs and keep your car looking like new with Scratch Solution. Call or click to order right now.
Ah, the parking lot. This is where they all happen. The scratches, the scrapes, and the door dings. But I'm here to fix them all today with Scratch Solution. Let's go. Pardon me, sir. I'm sorry to startle you, but I just noticed it looks like you've got a pretty good scratch or scrapes here.
Yeah, I was going to the bank, the ATM, drive up ATM, and I got too close to the side. on the right-hand side. So
How do you normally take care of something like that?
I don't. I just kind of let it go.
Well, do you mind trying a great new product? This is called Scratch Solution. Put that applicator pad right on that scratch, Daquan.
Okay.
And let it go. Now, you're doing it absolutely perfectly. You're letting the applicator do the work. If you notice, this is exactly the sort of technology they have in those big body shops. Take a look at that. Wow. All gone.
Wow, that worked. That's really
perfect?
cool. Thank you. Yeah.
You have a scratch here on the side of your car. Did you notice that?
No, I didn't notice that.
Well, it looks like, I hate to be the bearer of bad tidings, but I also have the solution, and it's called Scratch Solution. It's a new product. Just let it do the work. How do you like it?
So far, so good.
Now, this is the same technology the big body shops are using, except our applicator is portable and easier to use. And we did it. What do you think about that?
That was ridiculously easy.
All right, Oscar, just let Scratch Solution and the applicator do the work. Go ahead, man. Trust it. How long you had this truck?
About 2.5 years.
It's a beauty.
Thank you, sir.
I bet it hurts when you get these scratches, huh?
Does it ever? Does it ever?
But look at this.
Wow.
Look at that, huh?
That. That's great.
I would definitely tell my friends, my family, everyone I know to get Scratch Solution because it saves time, it saves money, and it definitely works. Can I keep this one?
I love the outdoors and especially working on my property. Hey, I'm not paying for firewood if I could help it. Only problem is, sometimes my truck ends up more than a little scratch. That's when I say, Scratch Solution to the rescue.
Oh, Bo, what did you do to your truck?
The reason I have a truck is because I like to drive around and pick things up. I cut some firewood the other day, threw it in the back, and when I came out of the brush, it went right along the side of my truck.
Well, a lot of people take for granted that they can drive up against a shrubbery, or it could even be landscaping at the edge of your driveway or a stick, but I'm telling you, if you do that, it will scratch your paint.
And I think that's what I did here for sure, but it's not going to be a problem for Scratch Solution, Jared.
Now, for the folks that just joined us at home, you're watching the same technology at work that the big body shops are using to remove scratches, except the Scratch Solution applicator is compact, it's portable, and more user-friendly than those big body shop buffers that could damage your paint job. Take a look at that.
Just happened to notice that you've got some black marks here. Where do you think you got that?
That always happens. There's so much road construction going on around here. Oh, man.
Just press the button and let it go. Just going to put it right on there. You don't even have to scrub it. See if you can just let it work its magic.
It's working.
It is working, isn't it?
I don't believe it. I think I better get some.
Introducing Scratch Solution, the new way to fix scars, scratches, and other paint imperfections instantly. Simply apply Scratch Solution on the applicator, turn it on, and go over the scratch. In just seconds, the scratches disappear right before your eyes. The secret is the Scratch Solution applicator and unique formula with microparticles. When you apply Scratch Solution to the scratch, the super fast rotations of the applicator cause friction and generate heat. Scratch Solution loosens the paint on the sides of the scratch, evening it to a smooth surface, removing the scratches, scrapes, and scuff marks completely and permanently. You would never intentionally scratch your car, but look how Scratch Solution completely eliminates any paint imperfection forever. Order now and you'll receive the high-quality electrically driven applicator tool with microfiber polishing pad and the Scratch Solution formula, enough to remove hundreds of scratches from all your vehicles. And that's not all. You'll also receive the applicator hook for easy storage and the wheel cleaning attachment, both absolutely free. Just place it on the applicator tool and watch how it instantly cuts through caked-on mud and difficult-to-remove road grime. But wait! Call now and we'll include a second bottle of Scratch Solution also free. You'll receive not one, but 2 bottles of Scratch Solution for the same low price. But hold everything! We're still not done. As an added TV bonus, we will also send you this compact turbo car vac. Just plug it into your car for quick cleanups whenever you want. With the included nozzle attachment, you can reach into small corners and hard-to-reach places. The turbo vac is a $40 value alone, but yours absolutely free. That's a whopping $120 value still for the incredible price on your screen. You'll receive the Scratch Solution applicator, polishing pad, and formula to remove any scratches, scuffs, and other paint imperfections from your car. And during this introductory offer, we'll send you the storage hook, wheel cleaning brush, second bottle of Scratch Solution, and turbo vac absolutely free.
Folks, in my over decade as an automotive television expert, I have never seen anything like Scratch Solution. It can and will fix costly repairs, saving you hundreds, and leave your car's paint job looking like new, I guarantee it.
Call or click to order right now.